Today we are near Miami with Chris and his Tesla Model 3, an early one, 2018.
Yeah, 18.
Yeah, and that's the most Miami color you could ever think of. So Chris, tell us everything about your Model 3.
Yeah, so it's a 2018 Model 3. It has still the original brakes on it. That's one thing I have to give it. Anositech sent out this amazing color. I can't go wrong with it, especially like you said for Miami. Sitting on Volsons, they actually custom made these wheels for the car.
Nice, yeah.
For spec, so that it sits flush with the fenders when it airs out. We go from, it has a full custom body kit from Robot Craftsman.
Okay.
Full carbon fiber hood, diffuser, side skirts, but with a custom front lip, which is one off that you don't see anywhere else.
Did you build the spoiler?
So I did. Actually, my wife decided to help me out here and get a little bit of her touch on it.
Nice.
And it took a couple of times to get it right, but we finally figured out what we wanted and dialed it in.
So the hood, as you say, is full carbon fiber. The front spoiler, is it carbon fiber also?
So no, that's actually, that's all vinyl.
Okay.
Looks carbon fiber, but it's actually very heavy.
Okay.
Yes, very heavy.
Yeah. And that's your daily driver?
This is my daily driver.
So do you scrape it every so often? Or?
So no, I don't. The first time it was on the car, there was so much downforce. We didn't have these little rods here.
Yes.
And it pulled it right out of the bumper.
Okay.
So we had to do that. We had to reinforce it.
Nice. Tell us about the suspension and the setup you used.
Yeah, so it's on universal air. Personally, I think it's one of the best out there. It rides just like stock.
Okay.
It's really comfortable, and I can go past stock height if I wanted to.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, especially here in Florida when it rains, it pours, so you know we get these massive puddles.
So how long have you been running this setup with this suspension?
So with this suspension, I've been doing it for 4 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so it's been proved and approved.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. I know there's a few more touches.
Yeah.
Inside.
Yeah, absolutely.
Was this a custom design vinyl wrap or wood? Yep.
Definitely was a custom design. It was thought of from actually another person had it, and we were like, you know what, let's throw our own flair on it. And we decided, you know what, let's do this. So we decided to do the door jams, and we were one of the few first down here to actually do it, and it's definitely an eye catcher.
All right, anything else?
For inside,
the yoke,
so
carbon fiber.
Yeah, that's real carbon fiber. It has XK glow lights inside as well, so it all lights up at nighttime.
And the screen.
And the screen has its tilt,
cool.
and the air suspension we got there on the center.
Yeah. You got a nice little Instagram.
Yeah. You can't go wrong with that. People love that.
All right, and of course you did use the same pattern just here. All right, tell us more about the rear bumpers then.
So yeah, so again, this is from Robot Craftsman. Their rear bumper and diffuser is all one piece. People always ask, where can I get that diffuser from? And I said, unfortunately, you can't. It's it's all together as one thing.
So the suspension, that's all the way up.
All the way up. Like we were just saying, it's the off-road mode. So yeah, I have airlift performance is what runs the whole airlift system, and I can control from inside the car. Then also I can control from the phone, which is a great feature.
So let's drop her down.
Sure, here we go.
That's quick, yeah. All right, let's take her for a spin.
Absolutely, let's do it. All right.
So you have the same controls here.
Yeah, man, let's go. Let's take it for a spin. Let's check it out. So you actually feel, it still feels like stock. It's not bumpy or anything like that.
Yeah, I was expecting something a bit harsher.
Right, yeah. And unfortunately, you know, you get what you pay for as well sometimes.
Yeah, that's very smooth, yeah. Do you get used to the yoke? No problem whatsoever?
So honestly, yeah, I got that question a lot, and I got used to it right away.
Okay.
It's just like second nature, honestly.
Yeah, I really like the all black dashboard.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, just to be subtle, you know.
What do we have here?
So yeah, the anti-stock Tesla Cub sent out a little bit of their swag. They wanted to promote their brand, and they have some pretty cool hats and t-shirts, so definitely check that out as well.
All right. So the performance has not been changed whatsoever with the...
Absolutely not. Actually, I have a little box inside as well that can give it a little bit more of a horsepower, so it's actually a little bit quicker than your just stock performance Model 3.
What's under in the trunk?
Yeah.
So was this spoiler a one-off?
So no, this spoiler actually comes with the kit as well.
Okay, nice. So that's what powers the car, obviously.
Absolutely, absolutely. I get that question all the time, and you have to say yes.
Yeah, but nicely integrated.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
So are you part of a club?
Yeah, so Ruined actually reached out to me, and I've done a couple of shows with them before I joined with them, and they're a bunch of great guys, and we get together and go around and compete against other EVs.
All right. Do you do any shows?
Yeah, no, we do a lot of shows. This car has been always from Miami all the way to Savannah.
Wow.
So it's gone all over the state of Florida and up to Georgia.
And you were telling me that's like over 100,000 miles.
It's got over 107,000 miles on this car.
Well, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's holding up well.
holding up well. I have no issues with it.
Yeah.
You know? So like I said, it has the original brakes. And it's running good.
So what's the next step for your build?
Honestly, I think I'm time to pass it to my wife. She wants it, and I'm waiting for my Cybertruck.
What will you do with the truck?
I think I'm finally gonna retire. Just gonna put tint on it and
call
leave
it a day.
Call it a day. You know, she can
Well,
enjoy
you still
this.
have this around. So,
It's not going anywhere.
Yeah. Maybe wheels, set of wheels?
Maybe,
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah.
But I want to just, I think I'm just gonna leave it stock.
All right, one thing we haven't checked out yet is your headlights.
Yeah, so the headlights, they're actually from SW Lights. They're custom headlight, well, LEDs, I should say. They do all headlights. They reached out and they did a great job. I sent my lights out to them. Still the factory lights. They put all their great technology into them, and here we go.
Well, it looks very cool with those accessories, the color and the black tint even on the windshield. So.
Yeah. It's a big no-no here in Florida, but I mean, it's hot.
It's not like you live in Florida.
Right.
All right. Chris, thank you very much for showing us.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Your car looks fantastic. I really love it. And if I lived in Miami, I probably would drive the same one.
Thank you.
Guys, did you like this one? Let us know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.